Good morning! Thank you all for tuning in to another Read Aloud and Play. We have a really cool read aloud for you today. It is all about sounds. So different sounds that you can make with your mouth, sounds that you hear, sounds that you can make with your hands, or even rhythm sticks. Now, in today's read aloud, we will be using rhythm sticks, but if you do not have rhythm sticks at home, that is okay. You can use wooden spoons, you can use plastic toys, or you can even use your hands, because what we're doing with the rhythm sticks today, you can also do with your hands. All right, here we go. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that we're going to do is sing our hello song. So in the hello song, we're going to be clapping to say hello. We're going to be waving to say hello. And we're going to be nodding to say hello. All right, here we go. We clap to say hello. We clap to say hello. With our friends that read aloud, we clap to say hello. We wave to say hello. We wave to say hello. With our friends that read aloud, we wave to say hello. We nod to say hello. We nod to say hello. With our friends that read aloud, we nod to say hello. Yay! Good job, everyone. Hello. I hope that you are bright-eyed and bushy-tailed this morning. The next thing that we're going to do is our classic open, shut them song. So everyone get out your wiggling fingers because it is time for open, shut them. All right, here we go.
Open, shut them, give a little clap. Open, shut them, put them in your lap. Apart together, give a little clap. Apart together, put them in your lap. I raise my hands, oh so high, I bring them down and now they're low. I raise my hands, oh so high, I bring them down and now they're low. My hands are high, my hands are low. My hands are high, my hands are low. My hand is a bird flying high. The bird flies down and now it's low. The bird flies up and now it's high. The bird flies down and now it's low. My hands are high, my hands are low. My hands are high, my hands are low. Open, shut them, give a little clap. Open, shut them, put them in your lap. Back and forward, give a little clap. Back and forward, put them in your lap.
Yay! Good job, everyone. I hope you've moved around a little bit because it is now time for our story. Today's story is called R is for Robot. It is by Adam F. Watkins, and this book is a noisy alphabet book. So it goes through all the letters of the alphabet, and it talks about different noises that they make. So it will be a lot of fun. All right, here we go. A is for Auga, auga. Can you make that sound with me? Auga. B is for beep boop, beep boop, beep boop. These are classic robot noises. Can you all say beep boop, beep boop? Good job. C is for clang, clang, clang. Lots of things go clang, 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 like if you are hammering something or you're working with tools, they might make a clanging noise. D is for drip, drop, drip, drop. In this picture, you see that the dripping, dropping might be from oil from this machine, but lots of things go drip, drop, like water that's dripping out of a faucet, maybe. E is for eek. That's a noise you might make when you're startled or scared by something. Eek. F is for flick, flick. G is for grrr. Do you see in that picture down there? There's a little robot dog going grrr. Can you all growl with me? Grrr. H is for hiss, hiss. That's a sound you might hear when water's coming out of something. It might hiss, or steam coming out of something. Hiss is a fun word to say. It's also a noise that snakes might make. I is for ick. Look at all the nasty gunk that robot's stepping in. It's icky, ick. J is for jolt. It's like electricity. It jolts you. K is for kapow. That robot looks like a ninja robot, and it's going kapow. L is for la la la. So even this robot is singing here, singing la la la. That's a fun noise to sing. M is for meep. Oh no, it looks like the robot meep. Oh no. N is for neigh. So there's even a robot horse here, and even robot horses say neigh. O is for ooze. That's a fun word. Say it with me. Ooze. And it looks like something's coming out of the faucet. It's oozing. P is for puff, 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 puff. It looks like a robot tractor, and the puffing smoke is coming out of the tractor. Q is for quack, quack, quack. If any of you watched our Read Aloud and Play on Ducks, I'm sure you've done a lot of quacking at home. There's a robot duck there. R is for rat-a-tat-tat, rat-a-tat-tat. So it's a sound that you might make on a drum or instrument. You can even make it with your voice. Rat-a-tat-tat. S is for squeak, squeak. It's something squeaking by, maybe a squeaky wheel. T is for tick-tock, tick-tock. That might be a sound that a clock makes as the minutes or seconds move on it. Tick-tock. U is for oomph. Oh no. V is for vroom. Oh, that's a fun word. Can you all say vroom with me? Vroom. It's a noise that motors make or engines make as they're zooming past. Vroom. W is for whir, whir. So you see in the picture up there, there's a whirring propeller on top of the robot's head. It's whirring. X, even though it starts with an E, this word, it's explode. And you can definitely hear the X sound in the word explode. And you can see in the picture that there's an explosion. Oh no. Y is for yoink. It's like you're pulling something. Yoink. And Z is for zap. You can see this robot has a blaster and it's zapping the letter Z. All right, the last part of this book goes over the entire alphabet. So we're going to sing the alphabet together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Won't you sing along with me? Yay! Thank you all for listening to our book today. Again, it is called R is for Robot, and it's by Adam F. Watkins, and you can check this out here at the public library. All right. The next thing that we're going to do is sing Old McDonald Had a Farm. We're singing this song today for our read aloud and play because there are lots of animal noises that you might hear on a farm, and it's all about noise today. So on this farm, we're going to have different animals such as a cow. Can you all say moo like a cow? In the song they say moo moo here and a moo moo there. We're also going to have a pig noise. So let's say oink oink like a pig with an oink oink here and an oink oink there. There's going to be a horse on the farm, and the horse says neigh. So a neigh neigh here and a neigh neigh there. Then the last animal is a hen, which is another word for a chicken. So we're going to say a cluck cluck here because chickens cluck. All right, let's go ahead and sing Old MacDonald Had a Farm. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo moo here and a moo moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. The next one is going to be a horse. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh neigh here and a neigh neigh there. Here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. The last one is their hen. Remember, the hen goes cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a hen, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there. Here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Yay! Good job, everyone. Thank you all for singing the Old MacDonald Had a Farm song with me. The next thing that we're going to do is get out your rhythm sticks. Again, if you do not have rhythm sticks, that is okay, because you can use a wooden spoon, you can use something plastic, or you can just use your hands. So in this song, we're going to be tapping our sticks in the air with a 1, 2, 3. We're going to be tapping them on the floor with a 1, 2, 3. We're going to be tapping them to the right with a 1, 2, 3, and tapping them to the left with a 1, 2, 3. Part of the song says to rub our sticks together, so you can rub them. Part of the song says to shake them high above you. Part of them says to pass them both behind you, so you can put your sticks or your hands behind your back. Part of the song says to cross your sticks and tap your knees with a 1, 2, 3. And part of the song says to put your sticks into end with a 1, 2, 3. All right, I think that we are ready for this song. All right, here we go.
Tap your sticks in the air with a 1, 2, 3. Tap your sticks on the floor with a 1, 2, 3. Tap your sticks in the air with a 1, 2, 3. Tap your sticks on the floor with a 1, 2, 3. Tap your sticks to the right with a 1, 2, 3. Tap your sticks to the left with a 1, 2, 3. Tap your sticks to the right with a 1, 2, 3. Tap your sticks to the left with a 1, 2, 3. Rub your sticks together. Shake them high above you. Rub your sticks together. Pass them both behind you. Cross your sticks, tap your knees with a 1, 2, 3. Tap your sticks end to end with a 1, 2, 3. Cross your sticks, tap your knees with a 1, 2, 3. Tap your sticks end to end with a 1, 2, 3. Rub your sticks together. Shake them high above you. Rub your sticks together. Pass them both behind you. Tap your sticks in the air with a 1, 2, 3. Tap your sticks on the floor with a 1, 2, 3. Tap your sticks in the air with a 1, 2, 3. Tap your sticks on the floor with a 1, 2, 3.
Yay! Good job, everyone. All right, I hope you made lots of noise with your sticks or with your hands at home. It's good to get up and make some noise, get out that energy. All right, the next thing that we're going to do is this simple rhyme called There's Something in My Garden. So as you can see on the picture here, there are lots of little animals on the picture. We have a frog, we have a mouse, we have a crow, and we have a rabbit. Now, all of these animals make different noises. So in the rhyme that we're going to do, it says, there's something in my garden. Now, what can it be? There's something in my garden that I really can't see. Hear its funny sound. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. A frog is what I found. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. There's something in my garden. Now what can it be? There's something in my garden that I really can't see. Hear its funny sound. Squeak, squeak, squeak. A mouse is what I found. Squeak, squeak, squeak. There's something in my garden. Now what can it be? There's something in my garden that I really can't see. Hear its funny sound. Caw, caw, caw. A crow is what I found. Caw, caw, caw. There's something in my garden. Now what can it be? There's something in my garden that I really can't see. Hear its funny sound. Thump, thump, thump. A rabbit's what I found. Thump, thump, thump. Yay! I'm so glad that we were able to go over some of these noises that animals might make in a garden. All right, the next thing that we're going to do today is this action rhyme called Acca-Bacca Soda Cracker. Now, these are some really funny words they're kind of made up words, acca-bacca. So there are lots of fun noises to say, but in this rhyme, it's fun to bring your hands up when it says up goes you. And if you're a little one, like a toddler, you might have your adult or bigger person hold you up, because that's also fun. And when it says I love you, we're going to do the signs for I love you. So I love you. All right, here we go. Acca-bacca soda cracker, acca-bacca boo. Acca-bacca soda cracker, up goes you. Acca-bacca soda cracker, acca-bacca boo. Acca-bacca soda cracker, I love you. Yay! All right, the last thing that we're going to do today is sing peekaboo. So in this song, peekaboo is a made-up word for whenever you hide your eyes and uncover your face. So we're going to say peekaboo in the song. All right, here we go.
Peekaboo, where are you? Hiding in your place. Peekaboo, I see you with your smiling face. Peekaboo, where are you? Hiding in your place. Peekaboo, I see you with your smiling face. Peekaboo, where are you? Hiding in your place. Peekaboo, I see you with your smiling face.
Yay! Good job, everyone. All right, that's our last thing that we're doing today for Read Aloud and Play. We hope that you enjoyed watching our video. Tomorrow morning, there will be a Songs and Stories program from our people at the Berea branch. So tune in for that on Facebook Live at 10 a.m. And as always, we hope that you are having a great day, staying safe, and have a great one. Bye.